YouTube, back with another one. BWI2ATXF, the channel, and today we're going to be doing some unscheduled maintenance, responsible maintenance, and that is the transmission and rear differential fluid. They say it's lifetime, but everybody knows that's not lifetime, not fluid, not life itself, so why would fluid be? So, got real good feedback from a previous F owner named Val. Good car friend of mine for years, since the G37 days. Recommends Lexus of Austin, Lexus of Annapolis, to do this flush, and apparently it is a flush, a proper flush, backed by Lexus. Usually you just want to do a drain and fill, but they got the flush machine and they recommend doing a flush. So yeah, so I haven't been here since 2019, since I got this car. They were the dealership responsible for the pre-purchase and Maryland state inspection, so I already think highly of them. And I had nothing but good experiences to say about them. So I'll go in here and get a loaner, let them do the work, and no wash. It's the loaner, fresh loaner. Manufacture date says 2023, so I guess it's a 2023, but compared to the loaner I got a few years ago, Lexus really set their game up for the interior. This console is not legacy, definitely current. Yeah, I'm a bit impressed. Took me a little minute, but it's definitely intuitive. Something I'm not used to in Lexus. I mean, I'm in a 2015, but it goes without saying, this is very clean. Damn, who car is this? Look, I fuck with this place already. Hold up. You can't see it, but it say no wash. I love it. Anyway, complimentary coffee. Appreciate it. It's always a good experience. Reached out to a random salesman because I'm on the market for LS430. I said, do you happen to have this available? He said, no, we got an LS460L, which is Long Beach. I said, all right, let's check it out. So there's no room for negotiation or nothing, but the thing is clean. It's 15.8, which is more than what I was trying to spend for a daily, but we'll see. Very clean, one owner. All the service has been done at the dealership. So I'm gonna do some research because I'm versed in the 430s, not the 460s, and we'll see what shakes. The thing about the transmission flushes and the differential flushes, you want to get there early, ideally at 60K. I'm at 70, which ain't far off. Again, this is preventive maintenance. But once you get past 100, it's a done deal. You're gonna have to live with that lifetime fluid. You've actually approached lifetime. But anyway, if you're beneath 100K, be sure that you get that flush change and everything. I had a Lexus Acura TL, and it was drain and fill 3 times, but times have changed. I trust the machine. And the biggest point of me going to the dealership is if someone messes up your transmission or differential, you got backing.
I found 6 results. The first is Chris will Acura.
No, stop. All this damn.
You do not have an active reset.
Stop. All this new tech shit. Anyway, you go to a dealership to make sure that they do it. That way you got backing and their liability pays for anything that goes wrong. I know someone who actually went to a private transmission shop, and check out the view. Bay living. Anyway, they went to a private transmission shop and the fluid levels were not right. Cooked this trans. So make sure that you go to a reputable shop. and let them know what you're doing. Again, I got this from a direct reference, so yeah, that's it. This RX drive's good, by the way. I ain't gonna lie, definitely comfortable. The dealership just called me, and the sales manager was so impressed with the F. And remind you, I told you I went to there in 2019, and the owner before me did service maintenance there in 2019 with his ownership. They offered to buy my car, low offer, because I could definitely sell it private for a lot more, but they gave 29 something, and they said they could go up $500, so 30. I can easily get a lot more than that private sale, but I'm flattered. But yeah, he, Lexus of Annapolis, top tier service. I swear by it. Great experience all around. Sales rep, service rep, and barista, just everybody. Kudos. Beautiful souvenir. I'm definitely keeping this with me everywhere I go. Promise.
Probably. Oh, he right? Nice. Oh, yeah.